Hello, so we are back Thursday, and this will be a short video. It's just about a tip how you fix a problem. Like on this case, a snapped charger inside of the charging port. That can be very annoying. So you see, like on this laptop, how do you fix something like that? Maybe you don't understand what is there. Let me switch on the microscope. Let me see if I can show you. So check that. That's the charging port, and actually the charger snapped in. Yeah. What you'll do in this case, obviously, it's not easy to be took out, and you need like a trick to take out the old connector. You'll be surprised, but the customer agreed to pay like £60 to replace the charging port. Obviously, I didn't book in the job. They booked in the job. They don't know too much about the price of how do I fix the things. Obviously, this will not be 60 because I have a easy way to take that bit out and the charging port will still be working. Okay, so what do you need? You need a old tweezer, which you don't use it anymore because we have to hit this bit. Yeah, we have to hit it. So let me see if I can do it. If I can keep it somehow here, and I can show you exactly what I'm doing. Maybe some people know about this trick. It's the same. You remember I made a video with the jack, with the jack connectors. Yeah, so I'll keep it like that. I'll take the hot air, and I will heat up the tweezer. You can use the solder iron if you want to heat up the tweezer. So you can apply this method even on the audio jack. So let me see, how can I do it? Yeah, the tweezer is inside. Let's try it. Now look here. You can see? You see how easy? And the charging port now is fine. Look inside of the charging port. You can see the charging port is fine. But we took out the end. This is the broken end. You see how easy it is? Who knows? Maybe it will be helpful for you in the future. Maybe you'll have a job like that. But that's the bit. That's the broken bit. Yeah. So you see how easy it is, like few seconds you can fix it with a jack, audio jack, broken audio jack, on the same way you take out. Okay? So I'll stop this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you probably next week because tomorrow will be off, so yeah, next week. Bye.